Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So right now we are standing at the Regal ground for Swadeshi Mela. तो मम्मी तुम्हारे हाथ में क्या है?
प्योर सरसों तेल।
अच्छा, वो मशीन में सरसों तेल निकाल रहे हैं वो लोग।
हाँ, मशीन से प्योर निकाल के दिए।
अच्छा, फ्रेश सरसों तेल।
मस्टर्ड ऑयल।
So guys, that's the machine that is used to grind the mustard seeds to make the oil. So we have just bought a bottle of 1 liter pack, है ना? So we have just bought 1 bottle. Quantity is 1 liter. For rupees 116 we have just bought the mustard oil. Fresh mustard oil from this machine. देखा? So this is the oil.
सरसों का तेल, सरसों तेल।
So yeah, in Hindi mustard oil is called Sarso Ka Tel.